Well, I'm going to transform this to this. Double closet doors. So let's get started with this project. I'll use this for my doorstop. That's why I needed to take it off without breaking it. Each of my doors are 33 3/4 inch. My closet opening is 71.5 inches. So the combined width of my two doors is 67.5 inches. My opening, the closet opening that I already have, is 71.5 inches. I have to frame out either side approximately 1 7/8 inches. So we'll do that. I also need to keep the trim line even between my bedroom door, the top of my bedroom door, and the top of my closet door. And this is 15.5 inches here and 15.5 inches to here. So I won't be putting a header on this closet. I'll have to use what's already here. So we'll start with some 3/4 inch stock that I've ripped to width. I'm using 2-inch brads, 18 gauge. With our sides now built out close to 2 inches, we'll put the jam part in and see how close we are to our 2-inch mark. I'm going to be putting 3 hinges on my closet doors, and the first one is up 11.5 inches from the bottom. So that's where we'll put the mortise. And I made a jig so I can route out the hinge mortises on the jambs. And I have double-sided tape, and we'll just put this on the mark and let's route it out. Not bad, not bad at all. I just did the same one on the top. I've got that one mortised out, and that's 7 inches from the top. So now we'll just figure out the middle and do the middle. Now that I have the 3 hinge mortises on my jamb, and because the jamb's sitting on my workbench, let's transfer that right to the door where we can make our marks. So let's set the jig up for the door mortises. Pack up the first jamb. See what we have. Well, let's put the hinges on. Well, there's the first door in. Top looks pretty good. That's dead on for plumb. Well, let's see if the second half fits the right side. There we go. Well, I believe I have it. After a couple shims, I've got that reveal at the top, even. Sight line down the center is even. I put a temporary stop block up here, just to well, that's a nice line. Even. Not bad at all. Just break off now my shims and paint the doors. Put a little trim around it. Looking good. Now we'll put the top door stop up. Time to paint. Well, with the top piece now cut on both ends, see how it fits. Right on. So let's tack it up. Well, I'm ready to put up the left side of the trib casing, but I thought, you know, just to have a little fun here, I'm going to make a time capsule. I've got these openings here, and what I thought I'd do I'm going to put in Microsoft PowerPoint 4.0. This is probably from the 90s. 3.5-inch discs. I'm going to put that in here as a time capsule. I've got the first season of the Diamondbacks, Arizona Diamondbacks, 1998, Arizona Diamondbacks versus San Francisco Giants, April 5th, 1998. I'll put that in here. And a Phoenix Suns keychain with their schedule. I'll put that in here. And continuing on our sports theme time capsule, I have today's sports section, the Arizona Republic. I'll put that in down here. Maybe in 100 years from now, when they decide to change this out, they'll find my time capsule. Okay, we're ready to sit the left side. For my time capsule on the right side, I thought we'd put in some food ads. 100 years from now, they'll see what the prices of food was. And a little bit of movie history. How about a VCR tape? Men in Black. That'll give them something to ponder 100 years from now. We'll see. Well, there it is. The finished product. Casing's up. Doors are painted. The dummy doorknobs are on. So my next project will probably be tiling the floor. Well, there you have it. Done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.